Good morning children. I welcome you all again on my YouTube channel. As you know children, we were studying about article. We have studied about article a and an. Okay. So today we will study about article the. Okay. The is called definite article. The is also pronounced as a the. Okay. So children, the is used to refer singular and plural noun. It also refers to particular nouns. Okay. Children, there are many uses of the. Okay. So children, here I have written the uses of article called the. Okay. So see here. Before universal object. Okay. Whatever objects that is universal, we use the before universal object. For example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Okay. So children, before any universal object, we will use the. Okay. Now see here. Before the names of mountain, rivers, deserts, etc. As you know, mountains, rivers and deserts, okay, they also fall in the category of universe. Okay, so with the mountain, rivers and desert, we will use the. For example, the Ganga, the Mount Everest, the Sahara desert. Okay, now see here, before the names of book. Okay, famous book. I am talking about famous book. For example, you see here the Ramayana, the Gita and the Quran. Okay, children, we have more things to learn about the. We will learn more about it. So children, here we have more uses of the article. Okay, see here. Before superlative degree. Okay, before any superlative degree, we have to use the. Okay, for example, you see here the best. I am the best. Okay, so best is superlative degree, and before superlative degree, we will use the. Okay, for example, the tallest. So children, before superlative degree, we will use the. Okay. Now, before musical instrument, okay, before musical instrument also we will use the. For example, the piano, the banjo, okay, the banjo. Now, before an objective to denote whole class, okay, before an objective to denote whole class, we will use the. For example, the old, the rich, the poor. Okay. To indicate a particular category, we will use the. Okay, children. So, children, here we have one more exercise based on article the. Okay. See here. Please give me dash cake which is on the counter. Okay. So here in this sentence, I am talking about particular cake which is on the counter. And I told you, when we talk about any particular object, we use the. Okay. So here also I will use the. Okay. So the sentence will be, please give me the cake which is on the counter. Okay. Now see, we visited dash Taj Mahal. Okay, I told you, before any particular thing or before any object which is only one in the world, we use the. Okay, so here also I will use the. We visited the Taj Mahal. Okay, now see, I am dash most intelligent student. In this sentence, children, most intelligent. Most intelligent is superlative degree, and I told you before superlative degree we will use the. So here I will use the. I am the most intelligent student. Okay, now see, dash meal that we ate yesterday was wonderful. Again, in this sentence, we are talking about particular meal, okay, that we ate yesterday. So again, here it will come the, okay, the meal that we ate yesterday was wonderful. Okay, now I have 3 t-shirts, a yellow one, an orange, and dash black one. Again, indicating to one particular thing. So here it will come the black one. Okay. Now see, honesty is dash best policy. As I told you that before superlative degree, we will use the. So best is superlative degree. So here I will use the. Okay. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. Now see children, dash earth moves around dash sun. Here again we are talking about universal object. So we will use the. Okay. The earth moves around dash sun. Here again we will use the because the is universal object. Okay. Now see, she plays dash piano. I told you before, musical instrument we use the. Piano is musical instrument, so we will use the here. So the sentence will be she plays the piano. Okay. Now last one. I want to see dash Sahara desert. As I told you before, mountain, before desert, or before universal object or the thing which is only one in the world, we use the. Okay. So here I will use the. So the sentence will be I want to see the Sahara desert. Okay children, hope you understood the uses of the. Okay, as we have done uses of a, an and the. Okay children, so children will do more practice based on article in next class. Hope you understood. Okay children, thank you.